Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve few questions given in chapter test of simplification chapter. When multiple operations are given to us, we need to follow some order of operation. Here the order of operations are: firstly, need to solve the brackets. Three kinds of brackets are there: small bracket, curly bracket and large bracket. Firstly, we solve the small bracket, then curly bracket and then large bracket. After that of, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and at the end subtraction. Here in the first question, under small bracket, two operations are given. One is multiplication and the other one is division. According to the order of operation, we need to solve division sign first. But here 9 is given as a divisor and 3 as a dividend. 3 is smaller than 9. So in the next step we write down this 3 divided by 9 in fraction form. Now 3 and 9 both are divisible by 3. So in the next step we just simplify 3 upon 9 by dividing both the side by 3. Now 1 upon 3 comes. You already learned how to multiply a whole number and a fraction. Firstly, we multiply 12 with the numerator 1. 12 1 is 12 and then write down divided by 3. In the next step, we write down accordingly. And now we are able to divide this 12 by 3 and write down the answer 4. In this step we have a large bracket. In this bracket also we have two operations, addition and subtraction. Firstly we do addition, after that we will do subtraction. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 minus 6 divided by 4. 0 divided by 4 and then is equal to 0. So after simplify this question, we get 0 as an answer. Always remember the order of operation while solving these kinds of questions. In this particular question, 4 signs are given: multiplication, subtraction, division and addition. According to rule, we need to solve division sign first. Here 4 options are given. After this, first of all, we note down the question again and solve the highlighted part. 2 divided by 14 is equal to 7. Now in next step, after solving this division, now multiplication, subtraction and addition, we need to solve multiplication. So in the next step, 120 minus 7 plus 15. 120 is a positive number. Nothing is mentioned in front of 120. It means it is plus 120. So we take this addition sign here in the next line and write down 120 plus 15 minus 7 is equal to 135 minus 7, that is 128. Here we can see option B is the correct answer. The next question is, in this next question, all the 3 brackets are given to us: large bracket, curly bracket and small bracket. Firstly, we need to solve this small bracket. 3 divided by 6 is equal to 2. So in next step, we write down highlighted the part. Now we need to solve this 6 divide minus 2, that is curly bracket. In between curly bracket we need to solve this one. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. In next part 4 comes. In the next one we solve this large bracket, and after that we have only 6 minus 2, that is 4, and option B is the correct one. Come to the next question. In this one small bracket is given. Firstly, we need to solve this bracket. Here again 4 options are given to us. We need to find out the correct option. Now here 2 operations are given. One is division and the other one is multiplication. We need to solve division first. Again 8 is greater than 2, so we just write down this number in fraction form. Now 2 upon 8, we can simplify this 2 upon 8 because both the numbers are divisible by 2. In next step we need to multiply a fraction with a whole number. So 6 1 just 6 upon 4. Next step 6 upon 4. After simplifying we find 3 upon 2 because both the numbers are divisible by 2. Convert into mixed number, and in mixed number 1 upon 2, that is 1.5, which is given in option C. These are the questions given in your chapter test related to your syllabus. Now thank you and have a nice day.